Very good morning to all of you. Today I will discuss magnitude comparator, or you can say amplitude comparator. What is the main function of magnitude comparator? It is a combinational circuit which compares two binary number in order to find out whether one binary number is equal, less than or greater than other binary number. Means suppose you are comparing two 1 bit number. There are three possibility: either a greater than b, or a equal to b, or a less than b. This is the main function of your magnitude comparator. Okay, now 1 bit magnitude comparator. In 1 bit it simply compares one bit of a with another bit of b. Suppose there are four possible values of a and b: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Now in this case a less than b, because 0 is equal to 0, so a equal to b is 1. This is 0, this is 0. 0 and 1. In this case b is greater than a, or you can say a is less than b. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 0. 1 0. In this case a is greater than b, so 0 0 and a greater than b equal to 1. 1 1. In this case a equal to b. 1 0 0. So from truth table you can see here a equal to b. Okay, a equal to b. It is nothing. It is the truth table of XNOR gate. Why XNOR gate is called? Coincidence circuit. When both inputs are same, either 0 0 or 1 1, output is 1. So a equal to b, expression will be a dash b dash plus ab. This is the expression of a XNOR b. In this case there is only one minterm. Okay, 0 1 means a less than b is a dash b. Okay, and in this case a greater than b, this is 1. So a dash a b dash. So this is the expression: a greater than b equal to a b dash, a less than b a dash b, and a equal to a dash b dash plus a b. And this is the circuit. This is NOT gate, this is NOT gate, this is AND gate, this is AND gate, and this is NOR gate. Okay, this is NOR gate. It is the symbol of NOR gate. This is AND gate, this is AND gate, and this is NOT gate, this is NOT gate. A dash b. From here you are getting b dash. A b dash. So a less than b. A b and a dash. A dash b is nothing. A less greater than b. Now from this expression you can analyze. If I add these two expressions, a b dash plus a dash b, this is nothing. This is the expression of XOR gate. Okay, and you know, if we apply a NOT gate in XOR gate, it becomes XNOR gate. So why I am using NOR gate? This OR gate, it is giving AB dash plus A dash B, but we require A dash B dash plus AB when this is bubble. So A equal to B is nothing, A B dash plus A dash B whole complement. So you can say A equal to B expression is nothing, it is whole complement of sum of a greater than b and a less than b. That's why I am using NOR gate. This is your NOR gate. This is your 1-bit magnitude comparator. Now come into 2-bit magnitude comparator. In 2-bit magnitude compare, it compares 2 bit of a with 2 bit of b. Means a1 a0, 2 bit of a, and b1 b0, 2 bit of b1 b0. In this case total 2 to the power 4 16 combination and 3 outputs: a less than b, a equal to b, or a greater than b. 0 0 0 0. In this case 0 0 is nothing, 0. This is 0 0 means 0 0. So 0 equal to 0. So this is high. Okay. One more example I can take from here. 1 0 is nothing, 2, and 0 1 is 1. So 2 is greater than 1. So a greater than b equal to 1, and rest are 0. Suppose I take 1 1 last. 1 1 is 1. 1 1 means nothing. It is 3. Simply 1 1 is 3. Okay. In decimal number system. So 3 equal to 3. And this is nothing. A equal to b. That's why high. So from truth table you can analyze a equal to b. 1 1 1 1. When you are getting a equal to b, in this case, when number is divisible by 5, 0 divided by 5 is 0. This is 5. 5 divided by 5. This is 10. 10 divided by 5. This is 15. 15 divided by 5. So a equal to b. In this case, minterms are what? Sigma m 0, 5, 10 and 15. Now with the help of K-map, you can minimize the expression. In this case, minterms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just fill in K-map. Okay, this is your a greater than b. Sorry, this is a less than b. A less than b. This is a less than b. This one. Okay. So from here, just put the value in K-map and minimize the expression. In this case, one quad is possible, and one pair, and again another pair. So expression will be a1 dash b1 plus a0 dash b1 b0 plus a1 dash a0 dash b0. How will you remember? Okay, how will you remember a less than b? You can see in a less than b, a dash is coming, means complement is coming in a, not in b. So where there is a1 or a0, where there is a1 and a0, just put complement a1 dash, so a0 dash, a1 dash and a0 dash. In this way you can remember a less than b. Similarly, you can find out a greater than b. This is your a greater than b. Just put these value in your K-map and again minimize this. Again one quad and two pairs are possible. After minimizing, value is a1 b1 dash plus a0 b1 dash b0 dash plus a1 a0 b0 dash. And again, how will you remember? You know, in case of a greater than b, what is the expression? This is a b dash. Complement is coming in b. So where is b? Just put complement b1 dash. Similarly b0 dash, b1. This is b0 dash and this is b1 dash. Where b is coming, just put the complement. Okay. Now come to a equal to b. This is your a equal to b. 0 plus 5 plus 10 plus 15. Okay. And what is 0? 0 means 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 a1 dash a0 dash b1 b0. Next 5. You know what is the 5? 0 1. This is 1. Sorry, 0 1 0 1. 0 1 0 1 is 5. So a1 dash a0 b. Similarly 15. 1 1 1 1. Similarly 10. A1 and B1. Okay, this is your B1. This is your B1. So 10, 1 0 1 0. And after solving, just take common A1 dash, B1 dash, A0 dash, B0 dash plus A0 B0. From here take A1, B1, A0 B0 plus A0 dash, B0 dash, and A0 B0 plus again you can take this common. Okay. This is A0 B0 plus A0 dash B0 dash plus A1 B1 plus A1 B1 dash. This is nothing. A0 XOR XNOR B0. Similarly, this is A1 XNOR B1. Okay, same things we are getting in 1-bit comparator. A equal to B, nothing, A XOR B. So again the same thing is coming here, A0 XNOR B0, A1 XNOR B1. Now the final circuit, just you can draw the final circuit of this. This is A1, this is A0, B1, B0. The last step is, with the help of logic gate, you have to implement that combinational circuit. This is the expression for A less than B. This is A equal to B. A0 XOR A1 XNOR A1, B0 XNOR B1, and there is AND, so AND gate. Similarly, A greater than B. By using this method, you can draw the combination circuit of either 1-bit or 2-bit or 3-bit or 4-bit. In the case of 3-bit magnitude comparator, what will happen? There will be 3-bit, A2 A1 A0 and B2 B1 B0, but output again only 3. A greater than B, A equal to B, or A less than B. In this case, total possible combination are 2 to the power 6. For 4-bit magnitude comparator, there will be 4-bit of A, A3, A2, A1, A0, and for B, B3, B2, B1, B0, and output A greater than B, A less than B, or A equal to B. Okay, this is all about your magnitude comparator. Thank you so much for watching this video.